Hey there, today I will show you how to send emails with Apollo.io. It's very easy to do. First, go to app.apollo.io and log into your account. Then, from the home page, select emails. Then select templates, and then select create templates. From here, give it a name. For example, I am giving this. Then select a folder to browse. You can create a new folder, give a folder name, then select save. Then after this, then select owner, then give a subject name. For example, I'm giving one, then type the body. Then from here you can add text formatting, insert link, you can upload an image from here. After doing this, select send text email to me, and it will be sent. You have to link first your one for this. Now select save. After this, now you will see your message here. From the right side you can start clone and move template to folder or archive it, and that's it. That's how you can send email with Apollo.io.